Now let's prepare takeoff sheet and quantity for the finance block. To prepare takeoff sheet and quantity, click on payment and quantity. Click on takeoff dimension entry. Here, the list of work items. Select the project. Select the block. The selected activities are here on the list box. On the top, payment number. Select here the payment number. Here, if you select an item, it is contract quantity and unit rate will be transferred from the previous quantity and unit rate entry form. Here is the drawing space. You can leave a drawing space on the report. Here there are 4 options for an item. One, an item may be with dimension. An item may be D2 or similar item. An item may be reinforcement bar, or an item may be with a lump sum quantities. Here there are grades: the description column, the times column, the unit conversion factor, and the dimensions column. For a meter cube, you have 3-dimensional, and for meter square, for clearing, you have 2-dimensional. Just to add a dimension, use your drawing or site measurement. To add a dimension, click the item clearing here. Just on this description column, type the description text and then type here length and width. This is plot A. Here you can make a description, and then for plot B, here you can make your measurement. You can type here plot C. Here you can type spreadsheet. On this spreadsheet I have prepared like a format on columns. It has a description column, times column, and unit conversion factor, length and width. So I can copy this from this row, copy, and then I can make right click and paste. Here you can paste the data. Use save button or turn on auto save so it can automatically save. For a trench excavation, I can copy from here. You can type this with your secretary. So right click and paste, save. And for fill under article, paste. Here Cartaway is a different item. The others are dimensioned items, but for Cartaway case it is edit item. It is site clearing plus trench excavation volume minus fill under article. So click here and select the clearing and the trench excavation volume on the addition column. Trench excavation. Okay. Then on the deduction, select the fill under hardcore volume. Here it is a fill under hardcore volume. So here you have meter square for clearing. This unit is meter square. So in order to make an equivalent with the trench excavation, type the depth for the clearing. It is 0.2 usually. And for the subgrade column, just times this 4 times because of 4 columns, and then just for masonry work items, just select here, copy, and then paste. For above ground level, just paste the previous data and we can edit the depth. It is 0.8 and average depth is 0.8. For the block work case, here you have here you have addition data on the top, long side and short side. So select these rows, copy. If you need to type, you can type by yourself, and then there is a deduction. Check the add deduction box, and then the deductions are here: doors and windows are to be deducted on this so paste on the deduction group. Here paste. For plastering, there is it is a ditto item. One ditto from HCB wall and make 2 times because of the two sides will be plastered, and then there is a deduction on the middle of the column, so we will copy and paste it. So select first ditto, then here click and take a quantity from 20 cm HCB wall. So two sides are to be plastered, so make it 2, and then add deduction. Here the add deduction are with dimension. The add deductions are with dimensions. So click on the add deduction column and paste. Now we remain with the reinforcement bars. I will show you how to fill a data for a reinforcement bar. It has another reinforcement calculator. So we will fill for a reinforcement on that calculator, and we will migrate the quantity from that calculator. So we will see later on. Now let's check. This is a takeoff sheet report. You see, it is a standard format. Shows deductions, shows all the descriptions. Do you see that? It is very interesting. It remembers me when I was a young engineer. I divide the paper symmetrically, write dimensions with pen, and use calculator to get the quantities and add also these quantities and show on this format. Now it is a story for me. And what about for you? Thank you. To generate the reinforcement bar quantity, click on payment and quantity, then on bar scale takeoff calculator. This is a calculator. Select the model project, select the project section, and select the payment number. Here you have different subsections, superstructure, substructure. You can write first floor, second floor, third floor. Just my reinforcement bars are grouped with substructure and superstructure, so I will reuse it. So you can choose your own. Then go to the structural description. On this structural description, under each subsection you have different structural members like footings, foundation columns, grade beam, with different labeling and numbers. Under each structural member there is a reinforcement bar. The reinforcement bar is identified with its size and length. So to fill this data, click on dimension, select the subsection, select the structural members. I select FC1. Then here you can select the reinforcement bar size, the number if it is 4, and then you can type the length here. Since I have data on Excel, so I can copy from here and then I can paste. Just click copy and then paste, save. For FC1, sorry, this is F1. For F1, now I can copy from, then paste, for grade B1. Here I have on the Excel, then select all these rows, copy, and then paste. Save. For grade beam 2, and then paste. So let's save it. Save. Then this is how data can be typed on the bar schedule calculator. So you can generate the bar schedule report, payment and quantity reports, and then the bar schedule report. Select the project, model project, select the payment number, then click show. Here is a reinforcement bar report. Here the number of bar sizes and their lengths multiplied with their number with the total length. Then it summarizes their weight, number 8, total weight, number 12 and number 16. So we have to link these quantities to its mother takeoff. On this takeoff, previously we haven't feed the reinforcement bar quantity. So to feed this reinforcement bar quantity, click on the reinforcement bar option, then click here, select the subsection and the bar. Here the structural members will be shown. Select all, then OK. Here is the quantity of diameter 8. Then also for diameter 12, select and then 12. Select all member quantities and then OK. Here is the total quantity for diameter 16. Select here, select all members and then OK. Here is the total quantity. If you do not connect this quantity to this mother takeoff, the reinforcement bar quantity will not be displayed or included on payment quantities. So don't forget to include these quantities on this mother takeoff sheet. Okay, thank you. These are services rendered by our company from the design phase to the project closeout. We will provide service of design both for buildings and civil works, supervision and contract administration, soil test and geotechnical services, office engineering services, project management services, and engineering software trainings. Contact us with this Facebook page, tweet us also with this Twitter page. So thank you. See you on the other videos. Bye.